to Workbench description. This session describes the menu and icon commands that are specific to the various wireframe and surface workbench. Let us start off with the edit. Most of the edit commands available here are common facilities offered with the infrastructure. The specific wireframe and surface edit commands depend on the type of object being edited. Open a body or the entire entity, and under the edit option we have undo, which is used to cancel the last option, repeat, which repeats the last performed action, update sees updating your design, cut, copy, paste sees copying, pasting and cutting the design, paste special sees the using paste special command, delete deletes the selected geometry, and search allows searching and selecting objects. Selection sets define selection sets, find owning selection sets allow define and modify selected objects as sets. Links manages links to other documents. Properties allows displaying and editing objects. Property scan or define in Workbench, see scanning the defined part. Under geometrical set 1 objects, we have input edit input, which allows to edit the object inputs and parameters. Change body is moving an open body to a new open body. Auto sort is allowing to reorder the open body's children according to the logical construction order. Reorder children is used in editing definitions. Show components or hide components is for showing and hiding open bodies and their content. Create groups allows creating groups. Under basic tasks and managing groups, reset properties allows resetting object properties. Under insert, we have sketcher, which is used in sketcher's tool, open body, which is used to managing open bodies, access system allows to create a local access system, wireframe is used in insert wireframe, surfaces insert surfaces, operations insert operation, analysis insert analysis, advanced replication tool insert advanced replication tools, document template creation allows the creation of part templates, refer to the chapter creating a part template in the product tool, initiate from document is for instantiating power copies. Under wireframe, we have point for creating points, line for creating lines, axis for creating axis, polyline for creating polylines, planes for creating planes, projection to create projections, intersections for creating intersections, circle for creating circles, corners for creating corners, connective curves to connect curves, splines for creating splines, and helix for creating helix. Under surfaces, we have extrude for creating extruded surfaces, revolve for creating revolution surfaces, sphere for creating spherical surfaces, cylinder for creating cylindrical surfaces, offset for creating offset surfaces, sweep for creating swept surfaces, fill for creating filling surfaces, loft for creating lofted surfaces, blend for creating blend surfaces. Under operations, we have join for joining geometrical elements, healing for healing geometries, untrim and disassembly is for disassembling surfaces, split is for splitting geometry, trim is for trimming geometry, boundary is for creating boundary curves, extract is for extracting geometry, translate for translating geometry, rotate for rotating geometry, symmetry and scaling is used for performing symmetry on geometry and transforming geometry by scaling, affinity is for transforming geometry by affinity, axis to axis for transforming elements from an axis to another, invert orientation, inverting the orientation of geometry, for near, creating nearest entity of a multiple element, extrapolate for extrapolating curves and extrapolating surfaces. Under analysis, we have connect checker for checking connections between surfaces and curve connect checker for checking connections between curves. Under advanced tool replications, we have object repetition for repeating objects, point creation repetition for multiple points, and planes between for creating planes between other planes, power copies and creation for creating power copies, save in catalog for saving power copies into a catalog. Under tools, we have formula, which is allowing editing parameters and formula, image for allowing capturing images, macro for allowing recording, running and editing macros, show and hide is used to open and close their content by using hiding and showing, in work object for seeing the scanned part, parameterization analysis, seeing the analyzation using parameterization, parent and children allows viewing the parent and children of the selected object, work on support for seeing working with a support, snap to point seeing working with a support, open catalog allows the opening of catalogs for power copies, External views allow specifying a feature as a reference for other products and applications. And customize allows customizing the workbench. Visualization filters allows to manage layer filters, and options allows customizing systems. And others are the wireframe toolbar, which has wireframe, points, line axis, circle, cons, curves, surfaces, operations like join, healing, split, trim, extraction, transformation, replication tools, generic toolbar, analysis toolbar, measure toolbar, selection filter toolbar, specification trees are all explained in the before videos. Thank you.